In this new video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this video. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do, guys, is so simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi and disable it. After you disable it, go to the airplane mode and enable it like this. And after that, disable the airplane mode and enable the Wi-Fi again back. Now go back to the settings and click on the apps manager. Go to the apps, scroll until you find WhatsApp. When you find it, click on it like this. Now click on force stop, and when you click on it, click on the permissions. Now here on the permissions, enable all the permissions from the call logs to the storage. After that, go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and go back again. Now last thing is click on open by default and click on this open supported links in the app and make sure that it's on always allow. Now restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp, and congratulations. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.